Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in the partnership. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. Friends, A started a business with rupees 54,000 and after 4 months B joined and after 6 months C joined. Friends, after 4 months B joined means B was in the business for 8 months, C was in the business for 6 months. Friends, A was in the business for the entire 12 months. Now their profits are in the ratio 1 is to 4 is to 5. Friends, we know one thing. Capitals into number of months. Capitals into number of months is equal to profits. So capital is equal to profit by months. Capital is equal to profit by months. So friends, here X is equal to capital X is equal to profit by months. 4 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and Y is equal to profit by months, 5 by 6. Friends, we want sum of the capitals of B and C. That is, we want X plus Y. Friends, X plus Y is equal to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 6. 6 into 1, 6 plus 10. 16 by 12. 16 by 12. Friends, 16 by 12 implies 16 into 1 by 12. 16 into 1 by 12. Friends, coming to A, capital 54,000 is equal to profit by months. 1 by 12 is equal to 54,000. 1 by 12 is equal to 54,000. Let us substitute 1 by 12 here. So, sum of the capitals of B and C is 16 into 54,000. 16 4s 64. 16 5s 80 plus 6 8,64,000 friends. Thank you.